Hello, future makers. Welcome to Teacherpreneur. Time management is what we want the most, but we use the worst. We all teachers have similar working time, yet most teachers complain that they fall short of time for doing all the work related to their teaching. As a teacher myself, I have also experienced such things at some point of time. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my top time management tips for teachers. If you're struggling to manage your time and make the most of it, then please do watch the video till the end. And now without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first technique that I would like to share with you is the rocket launcher technique. Whenever I have to sit for some work, the biggest struggle is not knowing how and when to start. So if I have a pile of papers lying on my table and I'm not getting the energy to get started, what I do in my head is start counting backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As soon as I reach 1, I have to take the pile and start doing it. The moment you start doing it, you'll realize that it's very easy to continue. And once you build the momentum, the flow state will take you further. The problem is we overthink a lot before getting started. अपने आसपास काम देख देख कर, notebooks or papers देख देख कर, we are just getting stressed about the work and hence we don't start and don't finish our work. So this technique will help you get in your flow state and everything else will follow. Next time you don't feel like doing something, make sure you use this rocket launcher technique and see how it will change your mood. The next tip that you would like to thank me later for is Eat That Frog. This particular book has taught me that if I have a list that I need to get done within a speculated period of time, there will be of course that one task that I'm too lazy about. Let's say you're a teacher who hates lesson planning. तो जब भी आप अपना काम करने बैठते हैं, the first thing that you will do is take the lesson plan and get it out of your way. ऐसा करने से सबसे difficult और सबसे मुश्किल काम आपने already निपटा दिया है. Now all the things that are pending on your list are something that you love doing and you will be able to do it easily even if you're tired or not in the mood to do so. So whenever you sit with your plate of tasks, make sure you eat the frog first and other things later. The third tip that I'm about to share is what I have learned during my B.Ed days. During the course, we had so many submissions and deadlines that it was so difficult to keep a track of everything. And that's when my mentor told me this thing. Make sure that you put in your calendar 2 days before the actual date of submission. So even if some emergency occurs, you will be ready on the date of submission. Let's say you have to submit all your report cards by 15th of March. Tell yourself that the last day of submission of reports is 12th March. When you assign a deadline to a task, your speed of doing the task will increase automatically, and even if there is some emergency and you're not able to finish the task around 12th of March, you still have 2 days window to finish your work and be the first one to submit on the deadline. This will make your life really easy. Trust me and try this next time you have a submission. This tip is a game changer. Try batching your things. I understand that as a teacher, we have many different grades, classes and lessons going on at a time. So it is really too much heavy for our brain to accept that 4th A की notebook करनी है, 6th C की worksheets correct करनी है, and there's so much going on. What I usually do is I batch the similar tasks together and get it done within the same time period. For example, if I'm sitting to correct the worksheets, मैं बैठ कर सारी worksheets एक साथ में ही निपटा दूंगी. I like to do it activity wise, but one of my teacher friends love to do it grade wise. तो वो क्या करेंगे? 5th standard की सारी चीजें लेकर एक ही दिन में बैठेंगे and she will finish it off within 1 hour itself. इससे your mind does not have to hover between different psychologies and different classes. तो आपका काम आसान भी हो जाएगा और जल्दी भी होगा. This tip is for the teachers who are usually getting distracted a lot during their work time. I would highly suggest that you download the Focus app on your phone. It is available free of cost, and as soon as you sit to work, you need to just start the timer over there. Once we start the timer on the Focus app, all your focus should only be on the work. No other distractions, no talking to other teachers in the staff room, no students entertained during this time, and no meetings. ऐसा करने से you'll realize how much time those distractions were taking away from you, and that's why you couldn't get the work completed. Also in Focus app, after every 10 minutes you receive a donut, and at the end of your work session you receive the bunch of donuts that you will feed to your dog. It's like having a pet, not physically but digitally. And if you want to feed the pet, you have to focus on your own work or task of the day. You may find it a bit difficult to focus at once in the start, but जैसे जैसे आप ये ऐप यूज करेंगे, आपका फोकस ऑटोमेटिकली अपने काम पे आने लगेगा. मैं ये ऐप पर्सनली यूज करती हूँ, and I love how it changes my productivity game altogether. The link is in the description. Do check it out. This tip is for all the teachers who love to make a to-do list. As a teacher, हमारे teaching के काम कभी खत्म नहीं होंगे, and this to-do list will go on and on. Two things that I would like to suggest over here is decide your top 3 priorities of the day. And once you get those 3 done, most of your tasks should be done for the day. And secondly, remember, don't put it down, put it away. अगर ऐसा कोई भी task है which will take less than 2 minutes to finish, don't put it on your to-do list, just get it done and finish it off there itself. और आपकी to-do list जितनी छोटी होगी, उतना फटाफट काम खत्म होगा, और आपको mentally वो satisfaction मिलेगा कि आज का सारा काम हो गया है, let's go home, sit and relax. And if you're struggling with your work-life balance, then we have already made a video on that. The link will be in the I button and in the description box below. One more thing that we teachers must do for time management is use technology whenever possible. Know your keyboard shortcuts or use apps like Trello, Asana or Notion. All this will get your job done very easily. और आजकल तो AI भी आ चुका है. So getting lesson plans ready, getting worksheets ready, getting activities ready is all on your fingertips. If you're new to the world of technology, or if you need more suggestions regarding which app to use as a teacher, make sure you subscribe to Teacherpreneur and press that bell icon, because we keep on uploading regular videos which are helpful for our Future Makers community. Next tip that I would love to share with you is break bigger chunks of work into smaller doable pieces of work. This way you can trick your brain that you are on the path to success, and as soon as you start ticking things off your list, and you will get the mental satisfaction that you are on the correct path. It will keep you internally motivated. For example, अगर आपको एक lesson plan बनाना है, तो divide it into 4 parts. Tracking the objectives of the lesson, the blackboard work, the question and answers and activities that have to be done during the class, and homework for the day. If you think this is a very heavy task, do only 2 parts of that whole project on one particular day and keep the remaining 2 for the next day. It's a great way to fool your brain कि आधा काम तो already हो चुका है, बाकी का आधा कल हो ही जाएगा. And according to you, which task is the most boring task in the teaching profession? Do let me know in the comment section below. My last tip has been a game changer in my journey of productivity, and I'm so happy to share it with you right now. If you're bored of sitting in the same place doing the same sort of work, then go to YouTube and just put ambient music. For example, आप कॉफी लवर है और आपको कैफे का एनवायरनमेंट बहुत पसंद है. आप स्कूल से बाहर जा तो नहीं सकते, बट अपनी कॉफी का मग लेकर YouTube पे सिर्फ डालो कैफे एम्बिएंट म्यूजिक. वंस यू प्ले दैट वीडियो, आपको ऐसे ही फील होगा जैसे यू आर सिटिंग इन अ कैफे एंड फिनिशिंग दैट वर्क. दैट एम्बियंस, दोज साउंड्स, द पिक्चर दैट इज शोन ऑन द स्क्रीन, दोज different sounds of coffee machine, people talking, chattering, someone typing on the laptop will give you the feel of being somewhere else, and that's how you trick your brain and get your stuff done. जब मैं पढ़ाई के या कुछ सीरियस रिसर्च के मूड में होती हूँ तो मैं लाइब्रेरी एम्बियंस का वीडियो लगाती हूँ. कभी कभी when I'm feeling really low, I put up rainy weather atmosphere. तो जब वो हल्का हल्का रेन, उसकी आवाज, ऐसा सब माहौल बनता है ना, तो I love to do my work and get things done. Classic example of if you can't change the world, change the way you work. I've linked few of my favorite videos in the description box. You can check out. So that's it for today's video. At the end, I would only like to tell you that time management is life management. So just like a clock, keep going. If you like the tips that we shared in today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us what is your favorite time management technique. Share this video with your teacher friends and family, and subscribe to Teacherpreneur and press the bell icon to be a part of our Future Makers family. See you soon.